We're at Festival of the Arts today. It's gonna get down to about 44 degrees tonight. We don't care. We do this through rain, sleet, snow. Oh, wait a minute. There's no snow. But let's go. I give you the tree of life for a fish. You excited for cookies?
Sure.
All right.
How many cookies are we getting?
17. Did they tip well? They didn't. They didn't tip well. What? What? Oh, yeah. Go get him. Go get him, Donald. Go take him down. Hey, yeah, look, he's taking a fit. It's okay to be grumpy now and then, right? You can be grumpy now and then. A little bit.
Grumpy.
Balance. Oh, a lot. This is my virtual magic mirror. We're going backwards! I'm a little wet. A little wet. I'll give you 20 pesos for the goat. What do you say? And the rum.
Everything by itself is really